Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A14. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here has been the phone in before, and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings and remove it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and that SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. Pretty nice. Let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the middle. Don't know why. But it belongs to the middle, so this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner here. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, optional, you can insert also a second SIM card. Belongs to the first place. So this is how it should look like then. So also here missing corner on missing corner. So just fit like this, and here's where the contacts are below. And if you want, you can extend also the internal storage with a micro SD card. It's the last place here. So insert it well that nothing jumps out here. So this is how it should look like then. So of course you can also use the micro SD card with one SIM card, one or two, it doesn't matter. And the contacts, they are below as well. And after, just put your construction back into the SIM slot, close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.